extra sogginess and perhaps some river flooding along the Flint and portions of the Withlacoochee rivers. Be aware of that. But at least we have a couple days to dry things out. Not just a couple. I'm thinking right through at least Tuesday. We'll have a series of dryness, especially when it comes to our next front that will zip into the Tennessee Valley over the next 24 hours. But we're not going to see moisture surging back at us, so there's not much support, if any at all, for any kind of rain potential. I think if we do have a few raindrops, it could just be in the form of light drizzle connected to some of the lingering clouds in the Suwannee Valley counties in the overnight period. That's also going to be a source of extra fog, which will begin to disperse and break as we start to warm up our temperatures. Southwest winds will be in place for tomorrow. Occasional west wind pattern plus sunshine can give temperatures an extra boost, so it will be a little bit on the hot side, but not incredibly humid. Once that front sweeps through early Sunday morning, winds will start to change west to northwest. That supports more drying and less cloud cover, so Sunday appears to be the sunniest of the weekend days. But just be aware when you wake up in the morning, especially the eastern half of the Big Bend, some South Georgia areas near the state line and I-75, you can have some low visibilities and maybe a little difficulty seeing that sunrise if the fog is dense enough. Mid-60s for Suwannee River counties, maybe around 60 to the upper 50s as you move to the northwest around the Lake Seminole area and points north. But highs for tomorrow, aside from the sea breeze and the west wind pattern into the eastern Big Bend, we'll see mid and perhaps even some upper 80s. But the heat index, not a big concern. It won't feel much hotter than it really is. West to southwest winds for boating interests tomorrow. Wind speeds on average about 6 to 16 knots and seas 3 to 6 feet. The extended forecast, the heat breaks. We get back to average and mornings will be a little bit on the cool side for late April with low 50s. Monday morning, Tuesday morning, maybe a bit of mildness turning into warmth towards the middle of the week, and maybe a minor rain chance as it stands. No major concern.